AL Textile Mills is advancing sustainability with solar power. An ambitious step toward renewable energy begins here. DSG Energy installed a state-of-the-art 2.3 megawatts, featuring industry-leading solar panels designed for maximum output. The heart of the system, Huawei inverters, ensure efficient energy conversion and system stability. Sunlight is converted into clean, reliable energy powering operations, delivering measurable cost savings while reducing carbon footprint. A collaborative effort driving Pakistan's renewable energy future. Powered by DSG Energy.